Hi guys. In this video we will learn more about img tag, hyperlink tag and also about buttons. First let's see what happens when image path is broken. Let's add images / before img1.jpg, which doesn't exist. Now let's see what happens. So, it shows broken image icon while taking a space of 300 pixels of height and width. Now, what if we want user to know that there was image behind it, but for some reason it's not shown? That's where alt tag comes. It specifies an alternate text for the image. Just type in alt equals whatever you want it to be. For example, I will type image. Let's see this in action. It's showing whatever we typed in alt tag. Now, let's see button. Just type in button with opening and closing tags and write something inside it. I will right click me. Let's see the code in action. It works. Now button 2 can have many attributes. One of them is type attribute. It simply means what type of button we want to show. Those types are button, reset and submit. Button is default type. Reset is used to reset the form, like clearing the data of a form, while submit is used to submit the form data to somewhere. We will see about form and submitting of its data later. Now, let's say, I want an image to work as hyperlink. When it gets clicked it opens up a new link in new tab. Well, it's quite simple, just add image inside hyperlink tag. Let's see it in action. Also, if you want a button to act as hyperlink, just add the button inside hyperlink tag. Let's do this. Let's see it in browser. That's it for now. In next video, we will learn about lists or table. Don't forget to like the video, comment if you have any queries.